So customers that we deal with, or homeowners that we deal with in northeastern Victoria and southern New South Wales, they're looking for a number of different things. They're looking for longevity out of product. They're looking at reducing their electricity bills or trying to nullify it as close as possible to zero. They're also planning for the future and interested in battery technology and how they can integrate that by making the plans now. And then they're also looking at how they can participate in the community energy programs, which is really exciting because they're not just thinking of their own personal needs, they're thinking of the needs of the greater community, and that's something that's completely different in this region of Australia. We do standalone systems where people don't have power at all and they are effectively their own energy system and their energy management system. We've also done a number of mini grids already as well, which is emerging technology which we're really excited to be able to operate at the cutting edge of our industry. And then we do your standard grid connect systems with residential and commercial and industrial as well. We take in also energy management and energy monitoring because having those aspects of your energy system gives you greater power to then know when you're using your power, how you're using your power, and have more control over your power. And we're also incredibly active within the community. We do a lot of work with community energy groups where we help them achieve their goals and create a buzz around renewable energy. We also do a lot around education, and that's something that a lot of other people don't do.